Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Meta AI is not working on WhatsApp. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can we fix this issue. So today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to force close the app, and after that open the app again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then open settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection, and after that make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. Now then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to make sure that there is not software update on your device. If there is an update, then update it first, and after that open App Store and search here for WhatsApp. And from here guys, you have to make sure that there is not update on WhatsApp. If there is an update, then you have to just simply update the WhatsApp app from here, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then open settings and from here guys, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data, and after that check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are still having this problem, then open the apps, scroll it down, locate for the WhatsApp and make sure that the all permission should be allowed from here. So guys, do this and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, after trying all of these steps, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.